a tire repair for someone. This is my tire bag. How's it going today?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
It's the same tire.
Really? Did you see it too?
Yes, I see it. If you want me to, I can back it up.
Oh, no worries. I'm just gonna pop the whole thing off, but you say it's pretty obvious?
It's huge.
Okay.
It's like, it's got a washer and a screw in it. And then, I feel like, I have ABS, my ABS lights are on.
Okay.
Can you, is that something you can handle or no?
Yeah, I can diagnose it and let you know what it is.
Yeah, those are on. And then, I know you probably don't have like windshield wipers, which is fine. But my AC is not as cold as it usually is. Can you do that too or no? Or?
Yeah, I have AC stuff with me now if you want. I could check it and charge it.
That'd be fucking awesome. Okay, so tire, AC, make it colder.
Yeah.
And then, and my car's super dirty. Sorry.
No worries.
It's disgusting. But I'm about to give it to my kid, so I'm going to have a lot of work done on it soon. So I'll be calling you here pretty soon. Because I'm getting a Bronco Sport. I'm so excited.
Oh, wow. Nice.
I'm so excited. Okay.
Is that the convertible one? Or?
I don't want that one. I want like the Bronco, like just like the hard top.
Nice.
So cute. It kind of reminds me of a G-Wagon for like a poor folk like me. But, okay. So I have been neglecting her. Because I knew I was giving it to my kid, and you can see she's got her permit, so she done ran off the road. She's the reason probably why I got this fucking shit going on. But anyways, okay, so the coolant, the tire, my ABS light is on. You'll see, and just tell me what you think.
And would you say something about wipers?
My windshield wipers are bad.
Oh,
like,
they just don't work very well.
They're so like. They're just like...
Yeah, you probably just need a new set.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
But, alright, sounds good. I'll get started. And then that piece, this thing here, that's in the glove box, right?
It is, yes sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. I'll give you a text when I'm done.
All set, thank you.
Put this sucker up in the air. Alright, what do we got? There we go. We have the obvious problem. It is a little close, but that scared the heck out of me. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. Right now, we're just gonna ream it. Leave it like that. Let's set up our fan because it's hot. It's all about having the right setup. You know what I mean? Alright, so I've got my plugs and then I got my glue. Now, when I worked in a tire shop, no, I didn't work in a tire shop. When I worked in a shop and we did a lot of tire repairs, you know, I always did plugs. Or no, I always did patches because I had a tire machine. But now I really don't have a choice, so I do plugs, and yeah, that's just what it is. So maybe one day I'll have a mobile tire unit, but for now This is what we're doing. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna let it dry for a couple minutes and then cut it off and test it. Oh.
Too bad.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that, but
Okay.
so I got that.
Thank
The
you.
tire seems good.
Good.
The code is something for, I think, the left front wheel speed sensor.
Oh, okay.
So
What's that mean?
there's like a sensor for the ABS for each wheel,
Oh, okay.
and I think it just went bad. So
Okay.
you see the code left front
Left front.
wheel speed
Oh, can I
sensor.
take a picture? Where
Yeah.
do I take this? How do I correct that? So it'll go away?
I
Like maybe.
what I would do is I would probably look into it, verify that it's the wheel speed sensor, and then I mean I could just do it for you if you want. Yeah, just swap out the sensor and then clear the code.
Oh, would you want to? Can you do or no?
Yeah, I can do it. I wouldn't be today because
okay,
I'd
gotcha,
have to
gotcha.
like get the part and stuff.
Oh, okay, got you. Okay, got you.
So, I mean, it's not super major. I mean,
Yeah, no, it's been on for 2 years, so
Yeah.
it ain't super major.
but I mean, I'm sure it'd be nice to have all those off. And technically, your ABS doesn't work. You know, when you hit the brakes really hard.
Yeah,
and
I
you're,
slide.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a fun time. I'm like, woo! To the point where I'm like off-roading. She's a fun time. So,
Yeah.
okay.
I did charge it up a little bit too. I don't know. I mean, it feels pretty darn good to me, but I'm not sure how it felt before.
No, that's amazing.
So
Oh my gosh.
in the morning, what it takes a while to clear up, or what?
I think it might be because it's not in the morning. I don't use my AC in the morning because I work in a cooler all day.
Mm-hmm.
So like when I get to I do autopsies. So like when I get to the medical examiner, I'm in and out of a 37-degree cooler
Huh.
all day, like pulling, doing everything I need to do. So then when I get in my car, I'm like, this is fucking hot. So it may not have been. It may just be me.
Yeah.
Because I'm in 36 degrees like all
Huh.
day.
So you're used to it, yeah.
So, but no, that feels.
Is that your cat?
Yeah, that's my cat.
I mean, I did try it before. I think it does feel better, but
No, it does feel better
it's
because
just
before I would like get in and I'm like, okay. Yeah, no, it feels better.
I added like a half a can. Just let me know though, and then the other stuff I can definitely help you with. You know, whenever you want. I mean, this week I'm pretty busy, but I will be back out at some point. So.
Well, do you want this piece of shit now? I really did take good care of this car for as long as I've had her, and I'm about to give it to my daughter because I know she.
You bought it new?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I got it 2016 off the showroom floor because it was the black edition. So, I mean, she's done good. Do I need an oil change? I know that you did my last oil change. I think you said 88, right? But I think I'm at 84, 85.
Let me see.
It's where, I don't know. I know that you did it last time.
85. So I mean, you still have some time to go so I changed it January, February, March, in April. So May, June, July, August. So probably in like another month or month and a half. I mean, because
Okay.
it goes by time also.
Okay.
You know, and these.
My dad worked overseas. My grandparents own a defense contracting company over there. He's a sniper, so he would only be home like 6 weeks out of the year. And I drove that bitch till the wheels fell off. When I tell you till the wheels fell off, like I was all around town. I didn't even have a license. And my dad, he came home, and I ran into him at a shopping center. We're from Valrico, like in Hillsborough.
Yeah.
And he's like, it was making a
Oh
like
yeah.
this sound, and he's like, 1, why are you driving? 2, why are you here? 3, that sound, you're about to blow the whole fucking, yeah, I blew the whole fucking engine. Then I got a SUV, I got a Ford Escape after that, and I never filled my gas tank up all the way. So I cracked the engine through like the gas tank somehow. Not cracked the engine, but that's what they said. They were like, you just been putting $10 worth of dirty, you're just recycling like dirty gas. Because I was like, well, I'm fucking 19. Like,
It was always at the bottom, and
it was just, yeah, so I blew that car to pieces too. So I'm like pretty self-aware about blowing cars up.
yeah.
So I don't blow them up, I just destroy them. In the meantime.
I'm gonna check the oil real quick and just make sure it's good, because I actually had 5 people in 2 weeks that had the same situation. Not only two of them blew up their cars, but one of them was really close, and then 2 of them actually we were able to save it and catch it. But it's just like,
Yeah, and I have to get more of this
coolant.
next time soon. Is that what that? It's usually purple, but my car's so fucking dirty. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, I saw that. Yep. And I don't know, maybe some wiper fluid, but let me check the oil for you.
Coming over there.
Yeah, no, I don't mind at all. And it'll be easier because I'm closer. I'm in Haines City, so.
Yeah, for sure.
So.
Yeah, just let me know,
All right.
and I'll let them know, and yeah, we can work out a date.
Sounds good. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thanks.